Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome to another stream. Man, I am tired. I was so tired, I forgot to turn on music before I go live. And then I forgot to say I wasn't even on the starting student screen. I was on this screen. I had a big lunch slash dinner, and now I'm like falling asleep. No, crap. So we'll see how long this stream is today. It might not be as long as usual. How's my microphone so dirty on the back here? Guess I grab it here, probably. Gotta clean it. But that's for later. For now, I want to work on continuing our ability choice menu. Yesterday we set up our level up system where you can level up and then press like an ability, and then we're good. And if we get multiple levels, we even made it so we have to select multiple and it properly registers which one's selected. But today I want to have those populated with icons and something. So whether or not they're accurate is a different story, but for now, something. Hey, Guts, welcome in. I'm super sleepy and tired. Otherwise, I'm good. How are you doing? How are you? So we're gonna need some things. We're gonna need to populate this from... We're gonna need a list of things that we're gonna populate from, and I think I need to make an array of structs. And the struct is gonna have two things. It's gonna have the icon, and it's gonna have the... And it's going to have the ability component, which I'm going to add later. And I'll add that later. Got tired too. Was hoping for some action on the stream. I don't know. Is this considered action? Do I usually provide action on stream? I don't know if I succeed on that ever. Oh god, the sun is right now at the annoying place. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna move you over to this monitor for now. While I wait for the sun to go down. And then I need to get a cover. I need to get a cover. The blinds are so darn thin. They're so thin. They're the same as though you took like your t-shirt and just put it over your face, right? You can still see through it. It doesn't help. Sounds like shining a blind thing in your face. Anyway, let's start. Let's go to blueprints, and this is gonna go under abilities. We have the icons here. So that's what we're gonna be used. Yeah, let's make a new struct first, because that's what we're gonna use. Structs. Also, no one ever says structures and enumerations. Everyone says structs and enums. The full names are too long. They're too damn long. Okay, this is gonna be ability choices. Don't like it, but so ability icon. This is going to be a texture 2D. Right, and that's all it's going to be. And we're going to need another one, but I haven't made the actor component yet. So I can ability components. I'll put it under abilities. And I'll make a new actor component. Ability. Base. And here it's going to be AC ability base. Object reference. Does it need to be an object reference? Ooh, is that going to work? Let's find out. Ability, component. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna need to, or this might need to be a class component. Yeah. I need a class component because I can create a child blueprint here. Child, right? Yeah, it's class component. It's not an object component. So what we need, right, is all these ability icons, right? We need to populate these. So let's go to our game mode. And we're going to need to first delete unused. That's gone. So here, let's go with a new variable. This is going to be available abilities. Put it under our ability system. Oh, space. So this is going to be S. What do I call it? Ability choices. So, right, under available abilities, oh, this needs to be an array. That needs to be an array. There we go. File. Okay. So now we can add all the ability stuff in here. So if I go under abilities, icons, right, this is the stuff we're going to put in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just put 9 in. So we have a good, test subject. Yeah, originally I was using sprites for this stuff because I was spawning them as sprites, but we're not spawning them right now, so we don't need to. An ability component we're not selecting yet. Hey, Rory, welcome in. How's it going? How's it going? Okay, so we have this, and now I'm gonna need some stuff. So, common these. Load game over menu. Organize this a little bit so I know what's going on. What is this? Increase plot stats, increase difficulty. Old difficulty setup. This is all the start. Game over. This increased score, which is also I don't know, this one will stay. Increase score. Okay. It's going well. A bit tired today. By tired, I mean sleepy. Otherwise, doing well. So we're going to need... I thought I had a system for getting the abilities and stuff. Here. Find references. Ah, okay, so I was doing it here based off an enum, which I don't need to do anymore. Old ability system. So I'm going to do this, and then where's the... And then, oh, get ability. Wait. Oh, it's an interface. Oh, it's the interface. I don't... oh, yeah, I guess... under the interface is better for this. So that way... I mean, do I... It means I don't have to cast to it? Tired here too? Yeah. It doesn't help that's a Monday. What keeps you motivated with game dev? You find what's a bit... I mean, I'm having fun. I'm only doing stuff I find fun. Why am I making this this menu? Like, right? Why am I doing this? Because I think it's fun. If it's not fun, I don't do it. So yeah, that's as simple as that. It's figure out what you enjoy, what is fun, and do that. If you start not enjoying that thing, pause, don't do that. Do something else that you enjoy. Simple as that. Maybe you'll find out, okay, you don't enjoy the game dev part of it. Maybe you enjoy the making of the models. Maybe you enjoy the animation. Maybe you just enjoy particle effects. You don't have to do everything. That's why teams exists for game design, right? You don't force yourself to do things you don't like unless you absolutely have to for some reason. Do things that you enjoy, and if you enjoy the stuff, you'll feel motivated to do it because you're gonna have fun doing it. Simple as that. Yeah. I don't agree with the you have to force yourself to be motivated. No. If you're not motivated to do something, why are you forcing yourself? Unless you're doing it for a job, in which case your motivation doesn't matter. Based on what you said, it doesn't sound like it's for a job. So do it if you're motivated. Hey, Ians, welcome in. How's it going? Yep, I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. I'm thinking. So we have an array here of these. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is same thing I kind of did here. I'm going to get available abilities. Oh, I'm glad you found. Oh, did you find it through the streams? Oh man, that actually worked. that actually worked. So normally chat is here, so I kind of look more at you guys, but the sun is right there and waiting for it to go down in like another half an hour. So I'm not blinded, as you see. It's coming from this direction. It's terrible. It's terrible. So what we need to do is take you. Oh, we need a return here. Return. So what you need to do is get a random here. Selected ability. And then we need to, this is going to be actually what is returned. Right, and then we need to take you and then remove item. And then we need to remove it. So all it is going to do, right, is going to select random one of here, and then it's going to clear it out. Why can't I? What? Is not blueprint writable? Oh, it's because it's because I'm removing it, and then so yep. Is that the problem? No. Wait, what? What do you mean it's not blueprint writable? I'm just setting a value and then I'm exporting the value. On my old streams, you have to comment about watching you while working. Ah, okay. I see. Well, I mean, yeah, as long as you're not getting in trouble, that's the main thing. I know I'm tired right now, but what's the problem here? What? What? I'm confused. No, a variable name is available ability is selected ability. Function name is called get available abilities. I don't have any functions called selected ability or available abilities. This is odd. Hold on, I'm just gonna delete this. Make a new function. Test. Paste. Create local variable. Return. file. What the hell? Abilities available. Get available ability. Oh, this name cannot be this name. I see. Okay. Okay. What does it matter? This isn't a variable. This is just an input, and whatever I call it. Why does it matter, Unreal? This is a variable. This is nothing. This is just a name I can call something, but it's not a variable of any kind. Okay, whatever. Whatever. You know. It's done. It's figured out. Grumble, grumble, grumble. Okay, but we have the oh, you know, hold on. If we gotta do the empty option here. If this is if it is not empty, we're gonna be doing this. So let's do this branch. So if it's not empty, it's doing this right now. Okay. If it is empty, then it needs to return something specific. Make, and then it is going to be always the HP version. Okay. Again, obviously the ability component is empty for now. That's fine. If it is empty, it's always this. So basically, for all my power-ups, once I run out of power-ups, it's always going to be a health power-up. That's the only option you're going to have. Health. More health. It's possible that I'll have, like, then just random stat upgrades. But for now, it runs out, it gives you health. Okay. So now, let's go to here. Does this image... Okay, this image sets that. Perfect. Oh, one other thing I wanted to do is on my character, right? When I'm is it when I'm spawning it? It's it's in the AC. It's not here. It's here. It's on initialization. Load HUD. Yeah, that happens. No, it's when... Oh, it's in the level up. It's the level up one that I'm thinking of, I think. Yeah, this. Okay. So I need to check... is visible? Okay, saying... This here, add to viewport, I only want to do it when it is not visible. Like all of this, I only do when it is visible. So let's plug this here. So, and this only happens when it's false. It's not visible. If it's already visible, it just increases the counter, and that's it. And I'm gonna double test, check this. Do a print string. Yeah. is all correct. And if I kill you, hello, hello, hello. That means, yep, it did not try to re-add it. Perfect. Had I learned? Oh, I think you mean UE, Unreal Engine. I just really liked it when I was in college and even beforehand, because I played Unreal Tournament 3 and Unreal Tournament 1. I played the original Unreal Tournament, what am I saying? 3. And that's when I learned about UDK back in the day. And yeah. And started getting a little more into it. I just dabbled with it at the time. Like, Unreal 4 was really where I got like really into it. The end of UDK, start of Unreal when I was in college. Or start of Unreal Engine 4 is when I was in college. And I wasn't majoring in game design, so I didn't like go full into it. Is there starting now? So, oh, there you go. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so we need to populate these icons now, right? These images are what we're gonna get. So, an event construct. We need to get the game mode. Cast to the game mode. Game mode reference. And then we need to get available ability. Set. Is it not set image? Oh, set style, probably. Set style. Button appearance. And make a brush. Draws image. Oh, here's image. Let's try this real quick. Oh, I just realized I'm outputting the wrong thing. Oh, no, actually, no, that's correct, it's correct. Here, I need to break it. Here's the ability icon that goes to image. So I'm just gonna test this with this first one first. Unreal 4 is when I started looking at Unreal Engine as your game engine of choice. Yeah, UDK was like really cool at the time. But yeah, Unreal Engine 4 really, and the material system was like, okay, that's it. That's my place. Oh, you don't have to take away. You're good. Lurk away if you'd like to, but yeah. I am perfectly happy with you chatting. In fact, it's nice when I have people to talk with. So, yeah, don't think of it as a bad thing. Think of it as a good thing. Yeah, let's test this. If I hit play and I do you, aha! Yeah, the hover, of course, doesn't work. But okay, let's set up the hover also to be same thing, and pressed. This just, you know, for now. Aha! Okay. Can I No. Because it's a texture and not a... Right? Like just a color, I can't colorize it. What I can do... Hold on. Oh, there's a tint. Okay. So... Let's do this. On the hovered one, we're going to... the color is going to be... Why is it like... something like this. Let's see if this is going to work. Also, I'm going to need to move all of this way higher. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate it down here, and this is going to be on the pressed one.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh. Okay. Let's give it a moment for ads, and then we test this. We test it, and hope for the best. It's a bit of a mess, but it's fine. This is all just a temporary setup. I'll collapse all this to a function probably, just to do all three buttons. Water today. Good old-fashioned water. Tasty water. Also, the sun has finally gone down, so I moved you guys back to this side, next to the camera. Yep, good old H2O. What am I using for dual stream? I'm using OBS vertical plugin because I have to encode things two different ways. It's so messy I can barely understand. Oh no, never mind. That's just the usual blueprint. This is not that messy. Come on. The vertical plugin. I use the vertical plugin to stream to both things. ADAM Vertical, I think is the full name. If you just search OBS vertical plugin, it'll come up right away. Oh, okay. I see. Good guts. I see. Now it makes sense. Now I got it. Okay. So let's check this real quick. Hover, click. Okay. So this gives me a slightly different, color effect. Click. Cool. I'm gonna change this around though. So on pressed, I'm gonna make this white. On pressed, I'm not gonna do anything to this. This is gonna be the default. It's on the normal one is gonna be tinted darker. And the pressed one is just going to be tinted yellow, tinted green. So there's some kind of feedback. Oh, this is hovered. Don't really care for that very much. Let's do like very subtly. Oh no, let's just make it just 0.75, just a little bit brighter, but not full brightness. Oh no, this should be full brightness. This should be full brightness. This is the full brightness one. This is the normal one. The pressed one is the one that should be like the tinted. This is the one that can be like green. One's being pressed. Yep, okay. That makes more sense. Sometimes your autism doesn't match my autism. I don't know if I'm autistic. I don't know if I'm a lot of things. I've never gotten myself checked. I don't see a reason to or point to. For all I know, I could have many things. I could have OCD. I could have autism. I could have many things. I've never cared to check. That's me. You shouldn't. Like, if you're considering it for yourself. But it's not going to change anything for me. Like, okay. So what? Like, for me, like, it's going to be like, okay, so that's what? An excuse for me? I don't want to have an excuse for anything. So. But it's different for different people, right? For me, I'm good. Okay. I'm going to collapse this to a function. This is going to be temp button tinting. Okay. Let me come here. This is button. And this is the ability choices. This is the selected ability. Selected ability. There we go. So now we can just do this twice more. Put in option 2. Option 3. Oh, I actually need this. Here. I need both of these. Because I used to get the unavailable ability 3 times, each one being unique. So, it's 2. 3. Okay. Oh. It's a game. Ref. Bam. Go. We all have many things. That's what makes us us. Yep, exactly. Exactly. And I know I don't have anything like super severe. Otherwise, I would definitely get it checked out. So, like, if it's nothing severe, then I'm good. Ignorance is bliss. For me. Ignorance is bliss. Okay, so if I hit play and I come here, we get sys. If I select something and I go again, I get boom. Okay. If I go again, again, and then now I'm only left with HP. Perfect, because that's all I have left. Now, and we clearly already said it. Yeah. So now what we need to do is do a custom event. Generate or new options. Generate new options. And this is going to go here. Basically, it's going to do all that. So when I do this, when it says option 1 selected, right, and all of these, it is going to from here generate new options and then exit out. Wait, no. Now, under false, here it should generate new options. This is how we do it. So, if I was to kill you, you got T. Select T. Ah. There we go. So now, right, you can select the power-ups. They don't do anything yet, but you can select them, and you only get one of 3. And you gotta choose which one, and you lose the other 2. For now. Maybe I'll have it so it goes back into the pool, but I think it's more fun where you have to make a choice between one of 3. That does have the downside of if there's one that is just significantly more powerful or less powerful, either be always chosen or never chosen. Do you want to have different power-ups and just that? Or have multiple levels of power-up, like a build? It'll be different power-ups. It wouldn't be levels of power-up. No. Because, for example, like maybe one will give you extra knockback, right? Because by default, right, you don't have a lot of knockback. So this is your knockback, right? Just very little. And I don't want to all of a sudden have different levels, like 4 times getting knockback. I want to give it to you once, and then that is your build defining thing. So yeah, it's gonna be once. Maybe down the line I'll change it, right? We'll see how it plays. We'll experience with it. Maybe it'll end up being different, but for now I'm planning on one and done. I don't want to deal with extra levels. There are some things that will have abilities that stack. Like if you just get a HP increase, you can continue to get more HP increases. If I just add a damage increase, you can continue getting more damage increases. Those will just stack, but those are passives, right? I mean, so would be like a knockback increase too. That's also passive, but yeah. You say how did you the level up and experience table stuff? How did the level up and experience table? What do you mean experience table? That was from yesterday's stream. Yeah, the experience stuff is, just relatively simple. Here's the graph. Basically, is the XP that I'm getting higher than the maximum XP? If it is, level up and just change the maximum XP, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And then update the HUD with XP when you're done. So that's how you then you just get this, right? You get this bar. And then in here, or not in here, in the other graph, yeah, I just have it set. I go to update HUD, right? I get my HUD references and I just call the function, which is just takes those current and max, one divided by the other, clamps it. Why am I clamping it? It literally cannot be outside of 0 to 1. What is the point of this clamp? Oh, I just have it left over. Yeah, this, I see. This has to be here. That was incorrect. Oh, no, but it's still 0 to 1. No, no, this is right. I don't need that. And I don't need that. It's already 0 to 1 by having it divide one by the other. Why am I having it? What's the point of that? Yeah, there you go. So it's a very, just a simple UI part. Okay, you know, right? Current health divided by max health sets the bar percentage, and then those same two values, I just pipe into the text of the, right, into that text. It's a super basic setup. And then same thing with the XP, the level, etc. How much XP do I need to get at level 20? I don't know. You currently start at 100 and then gets 20% more every level. So level 1 is 100. The next one is 1.25, then 156, then 195, then 244 experience, right? Each one is 25% right now. More experience needed than the previous. Now, the plan is to have the mobs be more difficult on every floor you go down, or every level you go down. And they're also going to give you more experience every level. So while enemies on floor 1 might give you 10 experience per mob, and the boss would give you more, maybe enemies on level 2 would give you 20 experience per, right? Or something like that. So, yeah. As a thought process, we'll see how it is. We'll adjust numbers accordingly. For now, this is good enough. Okay, but we now have them selecting, right? We have the selection. It is now picking this ability. Let's actually set up the abilities, at least some of them. Okay? Let's set up some of the abilities at the very least. So for that, let's go to our abilities, ability components. Is there anything I'm going to need from all of them? I'm not sure. So let's go. We're going to need passive abilities and active abilities. Now, what's the difference between passive and active? Passive is like you pick it up and you just get the stat. More HP, more damage, knockback, etc. Active abilities is like you pick up something and then you need to like press a button or select that ability to use it. So something I want to have down the line is like here, like a carousel of active abilities maybe, or a selection where you can select your active ability, and then you'll have a button that, you know, activates the ability, and whatever that ability is, now it'll activate and it'll be on a cooldown. All of the abilities will share the cooldown. Otherwise, it'll be like select ability, next activate, next ability, activate, next ability, activate. Right? It would just be so maybe something like that, or I set it up where it's you have the 1 through 10 abilities. We'll see. Roll's not a special ability, no. I might remove roll. The more I'm playing like this, I think I might keep just the dash and the roll. One thing I don't like about the roll is just it feels slow, right? Like it just feels slow. And in terms of like, so I might just keep the shield for blocking. And I might make it so if you block the attack, you take 0 damage. Right now, you take very little damage. Still take some. right? And this way, I remove the roll entirely. It also should remove the knockback, I think, or minimize the amount of your knockback. That's something else. Again, I need to adjust still. That was always like a possibility of me removing either the dash or the roll. And I think I'll be removing the roll. But okay, so we have these. Let's start making the passive abilities. So passive abilities base, active abilities base. Hey, Screen Apple. Do spider leg IK? What do you mean do spider leg IK? This is a sprite. There's no IK. There's not even a joint. Can't do any kind of IK on it. This is 2D. There's no IK to be had. Hard to put a joint on something that is so flat. Yeah, he needs to eat more. He's I wouldn't even, he's not even all skin and bones. He's just all skin. There's no bones. But okay. Okay. So let's add the passives. Excuse me. So, Great Child, the passive. This is going to be passive ability, HP, or health up. Okay, this is gonna be our HP one. So on a begin play, we need to do this. So what we're gonna do is get owner, get actor, get component by class, and this is going to be the character stats, and we're going to modify health, and modify max health. Now, how much should it increase your health by? You start with a base 100 health. What is a good amount a health pickup should increase your health by and regain some of that health? 25? Something like 25 as a base? Depends on how much damage you'll take. I don't know how much damage you'll take. I don't know. So let's go 25 for now. Also, this gameplay tags thing, I need to remove from here. For modify health and modify max health. That check needs to happen somewhere else. File, and this modify health and modify max health. We're about to find out where this is referenced, and then we can just adjust it on those. I press play. Yep, there it is. Okay, so let's take all of you, deselect you, scooch all of you over. So get gameplay tags. Let's tag. Let me do this one. This is status defeated. Not Boolean. As long as I'm not defeated, you can modify my health. Oh, for this one, this is on taking damage. So, yeah, I don't need it here. I don't even need it here. Let's replug this in. There's no chance of me being defeated here because otherwise I would have gone down the other tree. Okay, what's the other one? Okay, it's here. This is difficulty increase. Okay, we don't care about it here. And the last one. Yep, this is... Oh, here is where I need to check it. It's, gameplay tags. Not defeated, I do that. Yeah. Looks good. 24, 25. That's a really small range. You're like, yeah, I'm not set on 25 specifically. Maybe go 24. It's clear, you know, like just that 1 health difference per power up will make the difference. I like it. I like your thinking. Okay, I can close you. Open. Okay, this. I think this is all I need. Let's now on here. Right on. Which one's HP? Here's HP. So here I select health pickup. Right? I also want to... I also want to specify what type of... Is it passive or active? So let's actually go to that struct I just closed. And we actually want to add... Well, actually, we want to add an enum. So I'll add an enum. Ability pickup type. And for now, we're gonna have 3. None. Passive. Active. Because the passive ones, we just need to add, activate, and remove. We don't need to do like anything else with it. So here we can add the ability pickup type. Pickup type. None can be the default. That's fine. And now, for if I compile, yeah, for HP, we can specify passive. Okay. Here. No, it's here. If I come into this guy, right, we now have this as an option. Now, that's fine. What we need to do now here
ads are here. Pausing for ads.
But I need to push that information through. I need to push that information through, so I'm probably going to add a new variable of like selected type, passive or active. And then when I click on it, it'll activate. I need to get the button info. I need to get which button was pressed, like actually. Oh, we will have this, right, as option 1, so I can get button 1. I just get the button here. And then I can get the available ability. Ooh, no. I need to store that. Okay. Once ads are done, we're storing that info when we press on it. Yeah. You're having trouble making Super Mario count down points? What do you mean? What are you trying to do specifically? Count down how? Like just a score counting down? Like what I have up top? Right there in the center? That kind of counting down? Oh, that's simple. That's very simple to do. Here. I think it's here. There it is. Here's my full score. Oh no, this is not the. Yeah, that's all I do. And I, if I go to my character, I believe I do it on. Oh no, it's in the game mode. It's in the game mode. Pretty sure. Is it not? Where do I do it? Not here. The timer. It's just a timer. You can do a timer by event. Set to be every second. Looping. Custom event. Decrease, and then there. So I didn't know Super Mario had to capture the flag. I know the original Super Mario. Run right, jump on mushrooms. That Mario. I don't play like the new Marios. I'm not a Nintendo guy. Like, I've seen them, but I don't play them. I think I said it on my actual character. Decrease. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so here on my main character, like I just set it to, okay, get the game mode, decrease the score, and update the HUD with the score, and that's it. And again, the decreased score was this. That's it. Take the amount that I'm decreasing it by, the current score, decrease it, and set it. Put on a timer, and you're done. Timers are great. Timers solve so many things. Most things that you want to do that it's over time, just use a timer. That's all you need. Lovely timers. Okay, so here, right, when it activates this, we need to get a reference to this. I can store this. You know what? Let's store it. Promote to variable. Option 1. Selection. To selection. This is the easiest way I think to do it. Just store the variable right before. Okay. So now we have, right, all of those. And the reason we do that is because now we can, right, get the option 1, option 2, and the option 3. And it has all the info we need here, aka this icon we don't care about. We might push it through for the active abilities. If it's active, we're going to need the icon. But for the passives, we won't. And this is, instead of switch, will be a select. Basically, I'll push through this, or this based on whether it is 0, which option I've selected. I'm gonna get pushed through. Okay. So what we need now is on our. I put it on my. Yeah, I do it on my character. Let's just put it here. So I'm going to do a custom event. Activate passive ability. Add component by class. The class we're going to get here. Ability. And then we're going to delay it by just a moment. And then we're going to delete, destroy the component. That's it. That's all the passive should do. I don't even think I need to keep it for a second. I think it could be just a matter of I'm keeping it there for just a second. Do like 0.2 default. Maybe could I get away with just delay until next tick, or delay until next tick? Let's see if I can just get away with a single tick, because really that's all I need. Let's find out. So, if I go here, sorry, to our selection here, we need to do option 1. Switch here. Switch. Just scooch all this like way over. Okay, switch. Okay. This is fine. So if it is passive, I need a reference to myself. I can get that. I can get that. I need a reference to myself. I make that expose on spawn. And then here, on level up. Here we go. Here's my reference. And here again, get owner. I can't just plug this in. I can just cast to it at the beginning. Yeah, Unreal 4 had blueprints. Yep. Absolutely. Unreal 4 had blueprints. That's where they started. That's really the birth of blueprints. This. And then here, I just type that in. Okay, so now I can get you, and then I can do activate passive ability. Passive ability is this. Okay, we don't have anything on active yet, but that's fine. So I didn't end up using a select at all. I ended up using switch. Okay. So assuming it's passive, whatever I select, it should run the passive. Now, I'm actually still going to do print strings here. Option 1. 2. Three. Okay, let's test it. Let's see what happens. So, level up. I have HP. Perfect, right from the get-go. So, my health is 100 out of 100. If I select HP... Okay, it worked here. Let me go to BP Manny. Let me check this. Component added. And let me go to here. Health updated. Oh, hold on. This is... First of all, I need to do this backwards. I need to first increase the max health. Then I need to increase the regular health, because otherwise I can't increase my health past the maximum. Otherwise. So let's do that. So let's try that. So now, none of these. Yeah, here's HP. Aha! Look at that. I have 125 health now. So if I press play and I kill this guy, right, none of these are HP. Here's HP. I select it. There's 125 health. Here's another. Ah, hold on. Why did I not gain health again? Oh, okay. I see. I know why. It's because I've delayed it until next tick, but time isn't moving. And so I'm just re-triggering it, but the passives aren't re-triggering. Because time is stopped. I need to add the stuff to an array. And when I'm done selecting everything, it pushes it all in one go as an array. And then when I'm no longer paused, it does it all. I think that's the way to do it. So instead of this, I just save this all to an array. Yeah, so right now, right, if I kill the spider, I get multiple levels. Right, so here's HP, and I select it. And it worked, and I select something else. And I select something else. I selected it, but my HP didn't go up. It's not triggering, even though I'm doing all this, it's not triggering this. Hey, Nexus. It's neither. Hey, it's absolutely neither. It is neither an ARPG nor Hyper Light Drifter. If anything, it'd be like Dead Cells, Binding of Isaac. What else? Hades. Off-Wish, yeah. Maybe that'd be more accurate. Hey, Inns, welcome in. Or not, rather, welcome in. You've been here. Have I ever used Blueprint Assist? What is Blueprint Assist? It's more of a top-down style he's referring to with pixel art. I mean, there's so many games that are top-down with pixel art. There's so many, and Diablo's not pixel art. What? That is very far from it. Will this happen only to HP? It's everything. I'm testing right now with HP because it's very easy to tell. But it's retro. Here, I'll play the actual like dungeon. So you can see the actual aesthetic of this. Yeah, there you go. Boink. Hey, knocked me down. What a jerk. Oh, no, I didn't mean to click all the way down there. Alright. Okay. Hi there. Nope. Oh, I'm clicking on my... Oh, I got power up. HP! I'm dying! Why is it having such a hard time getting to me? Aha! He died! He jumped off! Yes! Jerks. Jerks, all of you. Aha! You see the real... Yeah. That's still not an issue. I still haven't heard back. It's a cool plugin can help you quickly reorganizing blueprints or make it quicker to type with them. I have not heard of it. Crunch your head sounds. Yeah, I just used what I had. Just a quick free asset. Just to have something. Let's just have something for now. Okay, so yeah, when we have this, we need to make an array of the stuff. So what I do is here. I'm gonna just kill all this. Recombine. Recombine. So I'm going to promote this to a variable. This is going to be selected abilities, or just all selected abilities. This is going to be an array. And I'm going to add this. I'm just going to make a list of these. Option 2. And option 3. Your message lost by Automon? Oh, he probably said something bad. Oh, you're fine. You're fine on that. Here, I'll allow it. That's fine. You store the amount of times the option was selected, and then yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So whenever an option is selected, it's going to store what was selected. It's 4 a.m. so go to sleep. 4 a.m. Yeah, that's sleepy time. Sleepy time, best time. Get some rest, get some sleep. And also when we reset here, generate new options, we need to clear this. Before doing all this. There we go. You're a musician, so you don't sleep at night? I hope you don't play your instruments at night, or at least you have very thick walls, or your neighbors might hate you. I'm assuming you don't practice in the middle of the night, at least not where there's like thin walls. Also, it's not just musicians that don't sleep at night. I think that's just pretty much anyone that is. You produce demos? Okay. Cool. I don't want you getting in trouble. That's the main thing. As long as you're not getting in trouble, that's all. Do whatever. The rest doesn't matter. Okay, so on exit out, right? Assuming that it is doing all this, it's gonna set game unpaused. It's gonna do all of this, and then it's gonna do a for each loop. I'll do this first. Does it matter? It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter. It should execute it all in the same tick, so. Something happened? Crazy happened today? What happened? As long as it wasn't trouble, that's all that matters, right? Crazy things can happen. Sometimes they're fun to be for crazy things to happen. As long as yeah, you're not getting in trouble. Yeah, let's do break, and then here we'd go switch. Oh, nice! You get bragging rights? Yeah, that's pretty good bragging rights. Don't go bragging too hard. You know, you don't want to like make it weird. But yes, that is awesome. Congrats. Only to everyone you see. See, now you need to get the Dead by Deadlight musician to give you also. That's the big one, right? Is the musician. Uncompleted, we're going to remove from target. Here, we're going to get activate passive ability. And we're going to send this through. Yeah, that's the big one. So, theoretically, this should now allow us to trigger it multiple times. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Activate selected. Okay. Okay, what are the chances this is going to work? Hey, Rain. Oh, did I miss your message? Oh, no. I'm so sorry. I totally did miss your message. You do it live, too, and it can be tough. Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry. I don't know how I missed it. You have a very different color, too, to your name. Like, everyone has, like, purple, reds. You're one of the few gray ones. And I somehow missed it. I'm so sorry. Yeah, all good. How's your project going? Hopefully it's going well. Testing level. Okay, here's the test. So this should still work once I get HP. Here's HP. Right, HP still works. Great. Now let's kill this guy. Okay. HP. Nothing has changed yet. 1 HP. 2 HP. 3 HP. Nothing happened. Why? Why did nothing happen?
Ads are here.
Oh.
Pausing for ads.
Ads time. Okay. Let's wait for ads. Remember, stay hydrated, guys. Well, have a good one, Deus. Thank you for stopping by. If you can hear me. If you can hear me through the ads. You can? Okay. Well, have a good one. Thank you so much for stopping by. Get some rest. Get some sleep. Freaking 4 a.m. Your project got lots of bugs, so you call it a night. Yeah, that's okay. You know, slowly start fixing them in the morning. You know, work on them one at a time. Get through them. All good. My project has lots of bugs too. You know, I'll do something and then make a bug with it. Like, okay, I gotta make it out of that bug. Let's like come back to it. When you select option 1 HP and option 2 HP, will Blueprint be able to identify 2 HP selections? It should. Right now, it didn't do anything. It's just one bug that you've been stuck on for 2. Oh no. It's a bad bug if it's been that long. Yeah, I mean, just start throwing print strings everywhere. There's also a way, I forget, there's a way of like activating the blueprints where it just stops, like it goes one by one node. And then you can figure out where it's going. But I forget how to do it. You know, same code, copy paste it, works in one actor, but not the other in reverse. Breakpoints, yeah, that's the one. That's the one, Rory. Thank you. I think, yeah, toggle breakpoint, F9. But isn't there, breakpoints stop it from executing? Like, it'll get there and it'll stop. But isn't there one that allows you to... Oh, I guess you can just add a breakpoint everywhere, and then you could literally step by step it. But I thought there was one that was step by step. I forget. Or a bug with the data. The code runs. The relative position is off at random locations in time. Okay. Yeah, that's a little harder to troubleshoot. Okay, I'm gonna do print string here, and then string here. I don't know why I do this always, right? I dragged out of here, and now I have this weird thing. But I can just as easily just put it here. And it's cleaner, and it still does the same job. I don't know why I decided to just shove it in between these two when I could just put it to the right. I always do this. I don't know. Oh, it gives you option to step. Okay, so it does. Okay, I really need to start I need to look into it, really how to utilize it, because there have been times when I want to do it. I really should look into it. Make a note of it, actually. Breakpoints. Note done. It works forwards, but not backwards. Odd. You also have the blueprint debugger to check variable values. Yeah, I gotta learn all that stuff. I use just print string for everything. I gotta learn that stuff. Okay, so option 3, option 2. So 1 HP selected. It said hello. Which means it did this once. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm clearing it every single time. I don't want to clear it every single time. I want to clear it once at the end. And only at the end. I'm literally clearing it on every selections. No, I'm not stupid, but I do very stupid things all the time. That's why the title is Watch This Dumb try to make a game, basically. Because I do stupid crap like that all the time. It's just small stupid mistakes. Okay, so now it should work. Okay, here's 1 HP, 2 HP, 3 HP, but only 25 health increased. Are you working in Titan Project? I don't know what Titan Project is, so I'm assuming no. Okay, so that's a thing now. So that's triggering. Let me go to here, and let me just. I wanted to print component added. Let's see if it prints it multiple times. It only printed it once? Okay, so what that means is I need to do the loop here. Change this to an array. For each loop. So let's change it then like this. So instead of doing this, like instead of this, I'm going to make 2 ability selections. So 1 for passive, 1 for active. Passive selected abilities. Active selected abilities. And then I need to get option 1 selection, split, so, oops, switch. If it is passive, it's going to add this. And if it's active, it's going to add to this. And what I'm going to do here is use a select. And this is going to select. I can't do a select. Each button's going to be different. Okay. So let's take you, data down here. Here, okay. It's 2, 2 and 3. Option 2, split. Option 3, split. Massive Unreal project for all people to work on? What? I've never not heard of this. Why would I? What? Why would? What's the point of everyone working on a project that probably no one? Do you get something for working on it? If you don't get anything from it, I don't care. Have a good night, good guts. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you have a good night's rest. Yeah, I've not heard of this. This Titan thing. I assume it's one of those like just community projects, but then like I'm not part of that community, so I don't know what I would get out of it. But maybe I just don't know it. I don't know enough about it. There's going to be the new Learning Unreal project. And you get experience of working on a large team. I mean, I work professionally. You see, like, that sounds like work. That doesn't sound like just fun. Like, I don't want to have, like, a boss that tells me what to do and all that. I'll check it out. Project Titan, said. Let's see. Project Titan. Just go pull it up. Oh, so it's a jam. It's an art jam. Okay. So it's not like an actual thing. Okay. Okay, it's an art jam. That makes more sense. Just like a fun little project. I mean, I'm not gonna do it because I have a full-time job, and then this, I have no time for things like this. Yeah, it's cool, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, not for me. This up a little. Let's be splitting this up a little. Okay, so right when we have this all separated out, and then we're gonna at the end here we're clearing the passives, we're clearing the actives, but first we take the passive skills and we do here activate passive ability. I need... Ooh, I need this to be... Okay. Make this here like that. And then I can do a for each loop here. Or just showing you how this entire system works. And then I do a break. And then I just get that from here. And now I can push this through. Yeah, it sounds like it's way too much, like too big of a thing for like someone without a job or anything, or someone with a job and everything. Yeah, it's like it's cool like for people starting out probably, but like I'm not in the game industry, but like I work professionally with Unreal, and I'm do this. I don't get time for. I don't even have time for just a regular game jam, let alone one where I have to like work in a large team. Job, family life. Yeah, I don't have the. I only have the first out of those three. I don't have a life and I don't have a family. I mean, I have a family, just not time that I need to invest to a family. I'm gonna do custom. I just duplicate this. Activate active ability. This is just not gonna have anything. I just wanted to be there so I can. Oh, activate. Oops. Activate. Helps to spell things correctly. This is the active. Let's see if this is going to work. Well, it's not what see, that's the thing. It's not what everyone's gonna come up with. It's what one person has come up with, basically, and everyone has to work together to create it. You can't go into a project where 20 people are all doing their own thing, because there's no direction. It's chaos. And then if you get something, you're lucky, because people will then try really hard to work together and not knowing anything. It's chaos. It has to be like, you have to have like a leader that, yeah. The world is big, empty, and open. We gotta make everything for it. Yeah, but everyone has to work together, not separate it. And that means you have to know what everyone else is doing and how they're like, right? I can't make a character and then have it be using like one setup entirely different, and want to have it interact with something else in the world and have no reference to it whatsoever, right? You have to have it. So they have to work together. So that means you have to have like a hierarchy of people that communicates and all that. Not necessarily a hierarchy, but like communication. Yeah, sort of. I make environments and stuff in Unreal that are for movies or TV shows and stuff like that. I work in virtual production. I want to work in games, but yeah, no one wants to hire me. Is it art time we have to communicate with one another in Discord for help in the project? Characters have mandatory setup for project already. Yeah, see, that's what I mean. So things are already going to have, like, things have to use certain things. Like, if you want to make a stat system, right? Well, what if someone else already made a stat system? Well, now your stat system should follow their stat system, right? Otherwise, what's the point of me making? Right? That's what I mean. What's my biggest and most proud work project? Biggest project? This. Most proud? This. Why do I say that? Because I work in film. I don't watch movies. I don't watch TV shows. I play games and I watch anime. I don't care about film. I don't care about TV shows. I'm in that industry because when I graduated, I wanted to make a more realistic style. That was the only reason I went to animation and visual effects instead of game design. That's the only reason. because in my college, game design taught you Unreal Engine and Maya, while the film industry, the film side, taught you like 10 different programs. So I was like, I want to be in the on the one that teaches me 10 different programs instead of 2 different programs. And so, yeah. And then like a year later, I'm like, I don't know why I'm in this industry. I don't care about any of this stuff. I don't watch any of this stuff. And I'm like, I want to get in games, but because I now have had film experience, right? I have a budget. Like, once you have experience in something, you expect to be paid based on your experience. But the problem with the game industry is, for some reason, they're like, yeah, over a decade doing 3D in a different industry, we don't care about it. No, just don't give a shit. Yeah. So, you know, if you want to come with us, maybe we'll give you a junior if you're lucky to even get an interview, because basically you have no experience. Even though I've worked in professional places, worked with like a bunch of different stuff, because I have no game experience in a professional, you know, environment. It's absolutely stupid. Absolutely stupid. But yeah, Rain, that's why that's why I say that my biggest, most proud, because I'm not proud of any of the stuff I'm working on right now professionally at work, because I just don't care about it. Yeah. Like in the past, I think I've worked on Star Trek at one point. And I don't remember. Let me see. Was it Star Trek? Oh, let me check. Let me see what I worked on. So I just search this way. How do you search IMDb? Okay, hold on. Let me just go search. Just search myself on freaking IMDb. Last thing I have here is Lost in Space. Was a TV show I worked on. A TV series, Lost in Space. Winning Time, The Rise of the Lakers Dynasty, worked on that. It's cool, I guess. It's like, I worked my first gig outside of college. When I just graduated college, my first thing I ever worked on was 21 Jump Street. That was the first thing I ever worked on. Anyway. 10 years in gaming is different because things change. You gotta learn to work with that company and their style. Well, you gotta do that for any company. That's right. No matter where you go, you gotta have to do that. That's not a thing. You're gonna learn their tools. You're gonna learn every company has things they're done differently, so that's not a factor. How did I get into that type of work? Majored in it, and then I was a valedictorian in my college, and so I got a job working at 21 Jump Street the day after graduation. But my yeah, I have not had like a fantastic career. Let's put it that way. It's been a bumpy one, to say the least. What's my favorite game? One of my all-time favorite games. I have very few games I've ever rated 10 out of 10. I have like probably like I literally have like I think a handful of games I've ever rate 10 out of 10 games. One of them is Horizon Zero Dawn. I bought a PS5 Pro to play that game. I basically paid $500 to play that game. I platinumed it, and then I platinumed it again on New Game Plus when it came out. Like on both times the highest difficulty. And then I played through the new one, and I platinumed that. I did not do the DLC in either one, though. Game companies are trying to pay as... Yeah. Oh, yeah, so that's the other thing, right? So, I have... Because I have a certain amount of years of experience, right? I have a certain budget, right? That I need for living. But if I want to get into the game industry, they're going to want to lower my rate because I have less experience, even though I can do all of this, right? Doesn't matter. On paper, I have less experience. And so I can't afford to go into that industry because I can't afford, literally, I can't afford it to change into that industry. What is for 20 Jump Street? Oh, Maya. It was, no, it wasn't. It's a movie. It's fully rendered. Yeah, Autodesk Maya. What's your study to do VFX for film then? A lot of things. It depends what you want to do, but a lot of things. Do you want to do compositing for film? Do you want to do characters or environments? Or like you're going to need to learn Maya, ZBrush, Nuke, 20 different programs. Hellblade was fantastic. I played through it. Yeah, if you want to learn, you could be a great you could just learn Houdini and be like the best Houdini artist, and that's enough. If you want to do effects, Houdini, just that's it. You'll be great. You can even do Houdini in Unreal. There's a plugin for it. Yeah, Houdini is fantastic. Okay, let's test this. I've been babbling. I haven't actually tested this. Yeah, HP. Okay, there's my HP. Okay, 1 HP is good. Okay. 1 HP. 2 HP. 3 HP. Okay. Why? Why is it only triggering once? Give me the length. I just want to make sure that this actually has more than one. Invites and the shiny stuff on screen like VFX, but that sparks fire. Oh. Wait. Environments and the shiny stuff on screen? What do you mean the shiny stuff on screen? Oh, like. I for some reason said not. Yeah. But not sparks and fire? Wait. Yeah, it says but not sparks and fire. So sparks and fire is effects. So what is the shiny stuff on screen that's not sparks and fire? Visual effects is Houdini, like explosions, fractures, any kind of effect, the fire, sandstorms, tornadoes, all that is effects. Like magical spells in Unreal, right? They're 3D, like using the aggro, that's effects. That's all you can do. All that Houdini. Yeah, if you want to do just an environment artist, become an environment artist. And spells not okay. So you don't want to do effects. You want to do then environments, just environment work. That's fine. 0. Wait. Why is it pushing through 0? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do this red. And here I'm gonna do a print string length. This one's gonna be green. I just want to confirm. Oh, ads.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
I'll just test this real quick. So, I missed HP. Wait, why is it 0? Well, there's the problem. Why does this have 0? Well, this is odd. You're bad at explaining, so that doesn't make sense. I'm also bad at explaining. So if someone gets dizzy in a movie, the lens goes all weird. You know how to make that effect? I think you're looking at cinematography. I think that's the term. You want to be the cameraman. You want to be the filmmaker. Hey, Jeeve the Wanderer, welcome in. How's it going? How's it going? How are you? Am I clearing this somewhere? I'm clearing it here. What if I don't clear it? Not cameraman, but special effects. You're describing camera effects. Your vision gets blurry. Your water filled the hallway. Yeah, water filling a hallway of a ship is VFX. Is a fluid simulation. Your vision getting blurry is just camera defocus. That's a cameraman's job. Water filling the ship is a fluid sim. Very different things. Yep, here's HP. HP. 1. Okay, hold on. When you add this, print the length, please. Print the length. I wanted to print the length every time I do this. Is it actually adding them? Or not? Okay. Print length 1. It did not add it again? Wait. It is doing this. But this add doesn't happen. I'm not doing add unique. I'm not clearing it anywhere. There's something that I've done. 1. And here's another HP. Yeah, it didn't print it. Why is this ad not working again on the second time? Hmm. That's not all the teaching VFX courses. You get to learn things like how to create earthquakes, how to destroy buildings, how to create tornadoes, how to, you know, like anything. It's so much. You can also do like procedural building in Houdini. Why is it not? It's triggering this. Oh, hold on. Is it? Hold on. Let me just do a do a print string here, and let's just call this passive. Different. I just want to make sure it's even going through here. Maybe it's not even going through here. Okay, I went through the passive. There's another HP. It did not go through the passive. Wait a second. Is it going here? HP. It's going to none. Why is it going to none? There's the problem. Why is it happening though? Can you go in Unreal for an earthquake in a video game? Or yeah. Houdini has plugins for Unreal. I mean, it's not going to modify the actual Unreal landscape, but you can, like, there's stuff you can do with it. I mean, it depends what you do with it. If it's huge scale, you just needs to make sure that it's optimized. That's all. Nuke is for compositing. I mean, again, it depends on, yeah, it depends on how heavy you make it. Why is this on the second time? Oh, hold on. I think I know why. I just realized why. And this is all because I'm stupid, guys. This is all because I'm stupid. I think we can go back to the original way we were doing things. And this is why I keep saying I'm stupid. If I go to my game mode... do I not have my game mode open anymore? Why do I have this open? We can go back to the other way we were doing things. I was just being stupid. Anyone notice any problem here? Anyone notice any problem here? That's why it worked only once. Because after the first time, it kept going through this one, and it said none. Son of a bitch. My stupidity knows no bounds. Knows no bounds. Okay, well. So basically, it was always going. It was not considered a passive because I literally selected none for it. So it was just not doing any of this because why would it? Okay, so I'm gonna detach this, and I bet I can go back to the old way I had it. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. But I'm just gonna move this to the side in case I do end up reusing it. But I'm pretty sure I can go back to the way I had it before, which was you, this being single. You only need the none ability. Yeah, I only need no ability. Go. Just kill you. I can keep it still on passive and active. That's fine. No, I'm not going to. I'm not going to keep it passive active. It's going to be all of them. It's going to be for this. Then it's going to break. Switch. On passives, do this. Oh, ability component. Okay. Bam. On complete, clear this. And then we're done. Think you're sticking to it? Houdini is expensive? Houdini, no. You can get a free version of Houdini. No. Get Houdini for free and start learning it. You don't even need any license to do that. You have some limitations on the way you export things. And like you can't bring it into a full version, but for learning, I'm like 99% certain that the free version is still there. Unless something has changed, they have a free version. And specifically they're designed so people can learn with it. So do it. Download it and start learning it. And if you have a student license, then yeah, you can get it even cheap. You can get it really cheap. I picked up and it was like $200, I think, is what I got it for 2 years, and I haven't used it. Yeah, Houdini Apprentice, I think, is the one. Or is that the free one? Is the Apprentice the free one? I don't remember. I think I got Houdini Indie. I don't remember the names. It's been too long. Either way, let's just test this. This is not health. HP. Okay, hold on. Oh, well, I need to... It helps to also, you know, add the stuff when you Okay. Okay, here's HP. Health added. If I just did more, this should work fine. Okay, it said component added again, but my health did not go up. Oh, interesting. Access none on destroy component. What do you mean access none for destroy component? Okay, I'm curious. Can I do this on the same tick? Can I add it, have it activate, and destroy it on the same tick? Yes. I don't even need this. Okay. That's good to know. Hey, Siva, welcome in. How's it going? Steak is delicious. I know, non-commercial, but what I mean is to learn. Why is it none on the second time? It doesn't add it the second time it does this? Yeah, steak is great. Good, medium rare. You know, non-commercial, but what I mean is I want to learn the path you'll be needing, which is Unreal. I'm pretty sure you can do that even with the free version. You just need the plugin. There's a plugin for it. I just need to just double check that you can export HDAs in the free version. I don't remember. Why? Okay. I'm gonna remove you from here. I'm gonna hide you. Hide you. Why? Get the display name. I just want to make sure that it is. Wait, it only did it once? It printed it only once correctly. Hold on. Print string here. Is it me being stupid again? Yes, it is. Yes, it is, guys. Yes, it is. I started the stream by being like so tired and sleepy, and clearly this has caught up to me by being just stupidest. Hey, look, it works. Basically, this has been an hour of showing you guys how stupid I am and how many mistakes I make. If I can make a game, anyone can make a game. I'm no longer tired, Rory. I've woken up, which is a problem because I need to go to sleep in like 2 hours. I woken up. Just my brain isn't functioning. Why doesn't YouTube allow DMs? What do you mean? Because people will just spam the hell out of people. What do you mean? Imagine someone that has 10 million subscribers and everyone can just DM them. Jesus Christ. And don't worry. Look, I am very much in the self-deprecating humor category. I don't actually like I'm not actually calling myself stupid. Like I know. But I am very much like, don't pay attention. So just Twitter, you have that disabled, and then you can make it so only people with a check mark can DM you. I'm pretty sure you can also make it so only friends DM you, or people you follow can DM you. Inside, I don't know. Does it have someone else say you're not? I guess. I'm also very bad at taking compliments, so that doesn't help. Okay, let me kill this. This is done. This is working. Yay. Kill all of you. Okay. And now, delete unused variables. Bam. Done. Okay. Yeah, Twitch has whispers, but you can turn this off. You can just turn off whispers. And most people do. In fact, like I've never once, like I had a few people whisper me and I think I disabled it like, immediately. I don't want random people whispering me. Oh, you're welcome. I'm not sure I helped you much. No, YouTube doesn't need DMs. YouTube has, in the about section of most people, you have a business email for people. And a lot of people, including me, have a community Discord, !Discord. And you can join that if you want to like chat with people, like outside of like streams and stuff, inside of comments. But like, there are very few times I will reply to an actual DM. Just outright. Like, just honestly. Like, it is not busy. Don't lie. It's quite a small community so far. I appreciate you lying for me, but it is getting more activity recently, which is nice. But like, I've had people that DM me on Discord and just say, "Hey," or I'm like, I don't know you. Why would I reply to you? I'm sorry. Like, if I don't know this person and they just say, "Hey," I don't know if they're trying to fit, if they're hacked, they're trying to get information. I don't know anything. I don't know if it's going to be spam. I don't know if like, it's the same thing, right? If you just are on a dating app and you say hey to somebody, like, that's not a good opening line. Yeah, right. And then there's also, I tend to not reply in DMs. Like if someone asks for help with something and I see they're in my Discord, I have a help section in the Discord specifically there for people to ask for help, so that way when I'm busy or I'm unavailable, they can, you know, everyone can help, or I'll get to it when I can help. Change your dating app strat. Yeah. Sorry to break it to you, that the hey isn't good enough. So yeah, I don't reply to like asking for help in DMs, because that's the whole point of the Discord, to ask for the help. That means that you didn't even care enough to like ask anybody. So yeah, it's very rare that I'll reply to people in DMs, unless I either know them or it's something very specific. Then I will. Otherwise, it's all just act like on the Discord itself. Well, I'll chat with people all the time. How do you get chicks who don't respond to DMs? I mean, if they just say, hey, I mean, look, they can't hold a conversation anyway. Neither can I, but like, that's not gonna be a good combo. That's just not a good combo. Okay, health is working. We got it working. This took way too long. What? Do I want to just real quick set up a knockback ability? I'm gonna quickly set up a knockback ability. So let me go to here. Knock up amount, knock down amount. I want to... You're just about to... Oh, I'm sorry. So I am looking for where I'm getting the knockback amount. Here's knockback amount. Over 0. Can I... No, I can't just like search for this. Okay, what I need to do is knock up, back. We don't care about this one. Knock up, down. Oh wait, this is the all knock back and default. Yeah, so I do need to worry about this. Hold on. Where is the knock up amount? Ah, knock back amount. Base knock back amount. Okay. Hey, Richarcher. Oh wait, I have my real name here. Oh. I'm like, oh, I was gonna ask. Like, I don't see anyone talking in Twitch chat, so I'm like, I don't know which one you are. Hi, Basie. Yeah, my main account has my real name still to this day. Okay, I need to get gameplay tags. Hashtag. I really should just collapse this to a function. Just to make it smaller, but it really doesn't need to. Okay, I need to add a new ability. No, I have here. Ability knockback. Jesus Christ, this is long. So switch this over. Select float. Do I have knockback? If I have knockback, how much is the extra knock? Let's just give me 500 extra knockback if I have the knockback ability. Okay. If I have the knockback ability, I just knock back extra 500 for now. And you know what? I'll make it a variable. Knockback bonus or and this is gonna go under abilities. I'll probably want to put this. I don't know. We'll see. I might move it somewhere else. This is 500 default. Now I can take all this. This is up, down, up, enemy knocked back. So here. This, and then that. Oops.
Ads are here.
Oh.
Pausing for ads.
Oh, knocked back. Okay. Let's wait for the ads. Well, it's here. Should be fine. And this is up, down. So this is the only place. Okay. Told you dock yourself on Twitch last night. I'm like, dude, everyone on the internet could find your name. Yeah. Yeah. There are things you should do, though, if you are going to use your name, right? Just make sure that other information isn't available. Other than it's fine. Have a good night, Rain. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, is there there's a place called, is it, hold on. Yeah, it's a place. I think this is the one that I saw like recommended on YouTube. I don't know anything about it, but I think this is the one people were like advertising on YouTube videos. Delete Me, where like this removes like your personal info from online. Might be a good, assuming you don't want to go through it all manually yourself. Might be a good way of doing it, or something along those lines. Go through and just, you know, search for anything that has to do with you and then make sure no personal information is there. Rain? Wait, so people don't pronounce it rain? Oh, did they say rainy or something like that? Rainette? I don't know. Yeah, I saw it as rain. I'm glad I got it right. Yeah. Good luck learning Houdini. It is very powerful. Okay, ads are done. So we've set this up. So if I want to now, right, go and create a new passive ability. Passive ability. This is going to be knockback. So here I'm going to get owner, cast to BP many gameplay tag, and this is going to give you the knockback tag. That's all it is. He's gonna give me the gameplay tag. So let's see if this works. We just need to go to, let's not forget this time. Go to the game mode. Go to the variable. Here's the knockback. Ability component. Knockback. It is a passive. Okay, it's set. It's good. I don't like the fact that I have to open these to find out which one it is. I might put this in a data table. I might put this in a... Well, have a good one. Learn, build, play. Or, I guess, hello? Wait. You're saying goodbye to Rain. So I'm not sure who... Wait, Rory? Yeah, data... I'll change this to a data table. Because I don't like how this is... Oh, you're the same on YouTube. Wait, hello. Oh, you just have multiple accounts? Okay. Okay. It is Rory. Got it. Okay, yeah, I'll swap this to a data table after. But let's test this. So right, I have when I hit, I have a little bit of a knockback. Well, to test this, I need to just give myself hey knockback. That didn't seem like a lot. Hold on. Just 5,000. Knockback. Hold on. Why is it not knocking back? Let me just double check that it's not something stupid like the attack not having knockback. That says default. Default. So it should be going here. Should be going here. So before this, knockback amount is greater than 0. It's gonna be true. It should go here. Print string. And I want to print this value. Not bad, Elias. At least the avatar is right on this account. Hand pink waving. Oh man. The chat that I'm using does not know the YouTube icons. It just says hand pink waving. And I see I see like I have the actual YouTube chat up on the side. And I see the icon. I was like, oh yeah, it is. It is like one of YouTube's icons, and it's like, it doesn't understand it. Hello, Revert Ramen. Welcome in. Okay, so this is 20, so that's correct. So if I... oh, knockback, perfect. Oh, it still says 20. Am I not getting it? Get owner. Hold on. So this is all working. That's fine. I want to now, at the end here, get gameplay tags. And am I getting the knockback? Also, I did say yeah, I did say knockback. No, that's not it. There it is. True. So I am getting it. Oh, I know. I'm stupid. I know. I figured it out. I'm stupid. Remember, I'm stupid. If anyone forgot. Damage dealer gets gameplay tags. It's the damage dealer's gameplay tags. Not the one that got hit. Hi guys, I'm stupid. Welcome to the club. Or welcome to the show. Yep, Dead Cell style combat by directional. Is there a lookup about what you're working on? Give me the lore rundown. If you welcome to the stream, lots of very deprecating humor. Self-deprecating, I mean. So it's a directional, right? Nice quick combat. I'm currently working on a power-up system, so when you level up, you get the ability to get like different abilities. So that's what I've been working on right now. So like I picked HP, I'm gonna pick HP again and again. Now I have 175 HP. Enemies explode in blood. Yeah. Yeah. Up, right, up, left, down, right, down. Yeah, right. A directional. Yep. Let me see about... So let's see if the knockback now works. If I get knocked back here. Yeet. Okay, works. Let's put that value back to like... It works now. Right, so that's that. And then if I can give myself okay HP, it's fine. No, give me knockback. Oh, that wasn't a lot. Hold on. Knockback. Oh, there we go. Why? That's odd. It works, but it doesn't work great. But I think that's on me to figure out for later. But yeah, in terms of the game, here, I'll show you guys. Move this out of the way. For those that are new, what we have so far, it works with skill issue, yeah. Like me using the shield. Does not happen very often. Let the blood flow! Hey, Fla! Come back here. I can't see. I still gotta fix the camera on that one. Or make it so I can see through, rather. Okay. Go to the next room. Oh, I need to get... hold on. I need to... kill you. Hold on. I'm gonna... give my... I want to unlock knockback real quick. Knockback. Okay, I got knockback. Is this a room with a hole? I freaking got the one room without a hole. I blocked. I did good. Okay, can I please make it out of this alive? No. Oh, yeah. Ah, blocked. Oh, man. Okay, I need to get through. I just want to knock someone out into the hole. Wait, why am I not... Hold on. I'm cheating. I'm gaining some more health. Why is it not... Wait, why is the knockback not working? Why is the knockback not working? Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna make it so I have I can see through like the columns when they get in the way. Right now, it's already cutting off vertically. So when you saw there's a second floor to one of the places, but you didn't see, like, it wasn't blocking the vision. So I already have it blocking things vertically. I seem to have it where I, like, if I'm behind the pillar, I see through the pillar. Whether by making it transparent or just like doing a cutout. We'll see. But why? If I go to here, it should be doing this. Give me a... Right, so it worked. Worked. It worked. Oh, now I've killed him. Hold on, let me give you more health. Oh, did I not... I reverted it, didn't I? I need to re-expose it. Oh no, I put it under the components. It's longer here. Yeah, I'm multi-streaming on Twitch and YouTube. Yeah, if you're on Twitch, you can do !YouTube or click the YouTube link below. Go to the YouTube channel. Or if you're on YouTube, you can do !Twitch. Get the Twitch link. Or it's in the description. Maybe when you do that, I want to do something similar. I've already done it in the past. I just need to re-enable it. Or re-hook it up. There's tutorials on it for on YouTube already. Plenty of them. Okay. Why does the knockback... There's the knockback. Yeah, so why did it... not, right? That second time, it didn't knock him back. So it is doing this all successfully. I'll do a print string here. Just double check that the value is correct. I think it is. Yeah, value is correct. It's just for some reason it doesn't do what I want it to do. As in, this doesn't do what I want it to. What if... Oh, is it because it has active movement? Hold on. What if I did here? Character movement. Stop active movement. And get knockback. Okay. One more time. You know, hold on. Let me just give this freaking spider more health. Oh, is that not freaking exposed? Health. Max health. Don't be private. Max health. 1,000. There we go. Now he'll live. Any chance I should look at the BP debug? Helps so much. The BP debug. Probably don't know about it. So I'll look into it. Back. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. I think that was it. Yep. Goodbye. Okay, so I think that's it. So let's run the dungeon. Blueprint debug in the debug menu. There's a debug menu. Hold on, where's knockback? Boom. Okay. Yes! I got him in the hole. Oh, wait, no. Did I hit him too far? Or yes, I saw them die in the hole. Excellent. We should all die in the hole of death. Yes, he fell down. Okay. Hi. Yep, there's the corpses. Oh. Yeah. Let me in. What? Aha. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. This doesn't matter. Yes, I got him. Got in the hole. Get in the hole. Everyone in the hole. No. Sorry. The knockback might be a little strong, by the way. I'm dead. It's fun challenging. That's the whole point. That's the hope, rather. Not the whole point. That's the hope. Is it's fun. It's a bit challenging. I'm not using the block very well because I'm playing a keyboard and mouse. I think with the controller it'd be better. Let me change the knockback amount by a little bit. Instead of freaking 500, let's do like 350. It'll still be good. It just won't be as good. No. There's knockback. Yeah, like that. That seems better. There you go. I like it. So I just realized for some of the passive effects, like adding invulnerability, I'm gonna want them to stick around for a certain amount of time. At the current moment, I immediately destroy it. So, what I can do is on my actor component base, I'm going to add a function. And this is deletion or destroy delay. And I'm going to add a well, have a good one. Learn, build, play. Have a good night. Thanks for being here. I need a... It's just going to be a delay. Oh, I need to not be... That has to not be a function. Oops. Event. Custom event. Destroy delay. Not decay. Delay. And it's just going to be a delay with a certain time. Yeah, and then destroy actor. Or destroy component. Right, so this is going to be actually delayed. And that delay, I think, is going to be not input here, is going to be a variable here. Delayed destroy delay time. And default is going to be 0, so it's instantaneous. And so in my character, right, when I do this, instead of doing destroy component, oh, Unreal. Unreal. Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, there we go. I need to... Then I need to cast to it. I don't want to cast to it every time. But I will need to get access to its info. It should be fine. I'll just make sure that it works. Oh, hold on. I can go here, print string. Sorry. Print string here. This second one should never activate because it should be destroyed. Actually, I don't know. Would it be activated? I'm pretty sure it won't because this destroys, so this should never trigger, but we're about to find out. Yeah, okay, it still activates, but it does trigger this. So cool. Then we're all good. I wasn't sure if it activated anything past the destroy self, but clearly it does. It's cool. So now, right? So now we can add, by doing this, we can have each one of these. If, for example, I have invulnerability, which I need set for a certain amount of time, I can set it to be, okay, after a second, like, or like give me the effect, and after a second, then gonna remove it. Yeah, cool. Well, god darn ads. I had to play the ads now, didn't it? Just out of all the timings.
Ads are here. Pausing
Jerk
for
ads.
ads.
Jerk ads. I'm gonna get some water. Stay hydrated. But the ability system is basically working. We now need to start working on actually setting up the abilities. Some stuff I actually want to do is right now, right? I have just 3 buttons like this. What I probably want to do is set up like 3 buttons eventually, like here, maybe up higher, and down below. I want like a section that tells you all the abilities I've picked up, like all the modifications, as well as like all the passive changes, all the active changes, maybe my current stats, things of that nature. But this is like the alpha version, so. Jerk. Here. No. Come here. Yeah, when you... Hey, run away! Then you teleport to me. Yes, yes, get to the edge. No! Come here. Wait. Excuse me? I was like, gonna say, like, how are you still... he was on there by the skin of his teeth. Okay. Ads are done, and I hate to do it because I wish I did the ads weren't playing then. But I am going to call it night here. We got the ability setup going. Tomorrow we'll be actually working on setting up the rest of the abilities I had before, or at least some of them, as well as starting to figure out the best way to start incorporating them. Because one thing I don't want, and maybe I add another actor component for ability variables, because I don't want to have like all the stuff on my actual main character here. I might just make another actor component, put all the abilities in there, ability variables in there. But that's all it's going to be good for. But I don't know. Let's just be a little more organized than keeping it here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But with that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I've been so out of it today, but we got through it after me doing lots of dumb stuff, or rather not doing things because I'm dumb. Okay, guys, take care till tomorrow. Bye-bye.